Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I show you jeep, truck, mixer truck, tank truck, crane. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Number 1.
Hooray! Hooray!
It's blue color jeep. This is blue. Black. Blue color jeep. Wow. Number 2. This is silver. Red. Black. Silver. Red and black. This is container truck. Wow. This is container truck. Number 3 is mixer truck. This is mixer truck. Yellow, green, black, green, yellow. This is mixer truck. Number 4 is crane. This is toy crane. Wow. Black, green, yellow. Black, green, yellow. Three color crane. Toy crane. Number 5. Tank truck. Tank truck. Wow. It's black, white, orange. Black, white, and orange. Three color tank truck. The last one is truck. It's toy truck. Wow. Yellow, red, white. Yellow, red, and white. Bye bye.